Introducing Minnesota Gastroenterology's Weight Management Program, a multifaceted approach to living a healthy life and preventing future medical issues.
Our program was originally established because we had medical problems that could not be addressed with our traditional therapies. We would see people in our liver clinic, recommend weight loss, and we were finding that virtually no one was succeeding at weight reduction. And we felt we needed to have a program in place for that purpose.
This program has 3 personalized options to fit any need. The first option is life coaching. Whether in person or over the phone, this flexible plan gives you access to one-on-one coaching that focuses on behaviors and lifestyle modification. The second option is the HealthWise plan, an 18-week medically monitored plan with customized meal plans. And lastly, the OptiFast plan, an 18-week medically monitored meal replacement plan geared for rapid results.
One of the most interesting things about this particular program is seeing patients get excited when they're having success. People whose reflux has just been essentially resistant to all of our therapy, suddenly telling us that they're on minimal doses of medication or coming off of medication. People with hypertension who are decreasing their medication doses, diabetics decreasing their medication doses. And we physically watch their laboratory studies improve. I mean, if you know anything about diabetes, hemoglobin A1C is returning to normal. Liver function tests that were elevated coming down to normal. I mean, we rarely get to see disease melt away, and yet we watch the diseases melt away as these people get better with weight loss, and that's pretty exciting.
For a free initial consultation or to learn more about our programs, please give us a call